Hi and welcome everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download a photo from AliExpress. So let's get started and open AliExpress. Wait for an advertisement. Now you have to find an item that you would like to download a photo of. So let's go for example with those earphones. Now all you have to do is just click on the photo and then tap on this save icon in the top right corner. As you can see, saved to storage emulated 0 DCIM AliExpress. And that's how you download a photo from AliExpress. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye.